May 2nd. It's going to be another beautiful day. And we're going to head out to elk country. Benezette. We're not expecting to see any elk.
Never do.
But it's a nice ride, beautiful scenery, and I don't know what else. So stay tuned. We got plenty of winging PA to do. Yeah, it's supposed to be up in the high 80s, or mid 80s. That's close.
Yeah, right.
Welcome to the big city of Brockway. Main Street, Brockway. Here we are. Okay, you blinked.
Yeah, it's like Norton.
You missed it. Nice view of the mountains. Going through the valley.
Pennsylvania, Switzerland.
What was that?
Pennsylvania, Switzerland.
Ah, yes. River Road. I think it's part of Group 555. Very nice up here in the fall. And in the summer it's nice and green. Looks like a big wall in front of us. Well, we're pulling into the visitor center in Benezette. We'll just drive through. See what's around.
Yeah.
We'll have to give our elk call. Elk, 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 elk.
We need Aiden.
We need Aiden. Our grandson.
You did such a good job.
When they came up to visit last year, I was teaching them how to do an elk call. So I have to go back a year and look at our videos and you'll see it. Here's the welcome center. Pretty cool setup. Yeah, someone borrowed your car. Did you want to stop? Okay, this is one of the viewing areas. And look at this view. Check this out.
It'd be perfect if an elk come out of the...
Yep. Imagine if living in that house. Well, we're going to go down this way. You can go down, then you can turn around and come back. This is amazing in the fall.
Yeah.
I think we have pictures of it. I'm not sure.
No, I think we came up here with Bob and Amy.
Yeah.
Close to the fall time.
And we didn't see any elk there neither.
No.
Look at that. Beautiful. Well, it's no outlet, so like I said, you can come down here and turn around. Here's the hairpin turn. Whee! How's that?
That's hairpin.
There's the view. I don't know if you can see it. We're on 153. We're heading back home. Nice view of the mountain. A little bit anyway. Yeah, we got it. Coming down the hill, the mountain. And that's what you see. Home sweet home. A beautiful day for a ride.
Absolutely.
Every day is a good day for a ride.
Mm-hmm.
We made it home, and now we can let the puppies out and run around.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll cut my grass. All right. Thanks for coming along with us, and don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. And keep watching.